Is that a bird? Is that a sky? No, it's Vitaly! What's the one thing Pocket Watch should never let me do? Expectation, I don't even know what to expect now. So I'm just really excited, I'm really amped up. I've been in plenty of planes, but I've never actually piloted a plane, and this is what this is. This is like a 1-hour pilot lesson. So I am training to be a pilot. So who knows, maybe next time you're flying, I'll be flying your plane. I'll be flying your plane. You're flying. Probably not. I'm decent with heights. Again, I'm just mostly amped and excited about it.
Let's go do it. Woo!
Oh, we're not doing this shoulder guard?
Nah, you don't need that.
Oh, look at me, breaking the rules.
Microphone close to your mouth so you and I can talk.
Are we gonna have close, intimate conversations?
We will.
So where are you from? I left. It's 80 degrees outside and we're putting on gloves. But I'm guessing it's gonna be a little cold up there.
You will thank me later.
That experience was way different than I'd anticipated it to be. Like, I had one thing kind of planned, or like what I was thinking or imagining it's gonna be, and it was different. You're flying up there and you're going like almost 100 miles an hour. You could go over 100 miles an hour, and then you can't really realize how fast you're going. There's wind all over the place. I got to actually fly. I actually got to control it. We did like a full loop. We cut the engine off at one point, and then so you're just like gliding without the engine. It was so cool, so much fun. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Tell Pocket Watch to send me on more flights until I can become a pilot and take all of you guys in the plane. Bye!